Moxon Industries is a leading service provider in key Australian industries, including the rail, food and civil sectors. Our experienced team of engineers and tradies excel at providing quick and dependable service. It's morning, there's a breakdown, and the boss is on Jack's case. Custom parts need to be manufactured as soon as possible to get the job out. Who can he call? Jack remembers a colleague recommending Moxon for quick turnaround service. He calls and details what he needs. Moxon understands the urgency and is quick to accommodate. A quote for same-day service is given and accepted. Production drawings are provided and the job proceeds efficiently throughout the day. At 3 p.m, Moxon updates Jack confirming that production is on schedule. The order is thereafter completed. Parts are inspected, packaged and delivered. Moxon has come through for its valued customer, and Jack delivered for his boss and team. Our business is helping yours. Need something urgent? Call Moxon.